Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on addition part 2. This video is a continuation of the previous video. Here we look at adding single digits to arrive at an answer which is greater than 10. So here we're going to use some base 10 materials. Using base 10 materials, find the value of 6 plus 5. So here we have 6 because they're 6 little cubes, and here we have 5 little cubes. Combine them all together, so put them all into one group and count them all up one at a time, and you get an answer of 11. Next example, 7 plus 9. 7 little cubes plus 9 little cubes. Combine them all together and count them one at a time, and you get 16. 10 plus 4. Now this represents 10, so we don't have to have 10 little cubes because always this long one here, that represents 10. And then 4 single ones. 10 plus 4. There are many ways you can do it. You can count on from 10. So you have 10 here already. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? If you remember the earlier work we did, one lot of 10 plus 4 lots of 1, that's also 14. So there are a number of ways you can do it. Using everyday items. We can also use everyday items to help us in adding single digits where the answer is greater than 10. So 6 plus 7, here we can use marbles. So we have 6 marbles, we have 7 marbles. Combine all the marbles together and then count them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 plus 1 is 13. Or you can count them one by one. Use base 10 materials to do the following. So here we have 3 digits. So 3 plus 5 plus 6. There's your 3, there's your 5, and there's your 6. Combine them all together and then count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or you could go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So many ways you can do it. 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4, 5 and 6. Now, you know that you're allowed to combine all these together, so basically just count them. Without actually combining them like I did here, because it saves us some time. Just count them all individually, and you'll end up with 15. A little bit more involved now using these long ones. 10 plus 6 plus 10. So there's your 10. Remember, a long one here represents 10. There are your 6 ones, and there's another 10. Now, if we arrange them to put the 2 long ones first, and then the 6 single ones at the end, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And finally, 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. So there's your 10, there's your 10, there's your 5, and there's your 10. Put the 3 long ones first, put the 5 single ones at the end. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And there's the answer. So this video has continued on with addition, but we've looked at numbers which add up to a number which is greater than 10.